Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Home Decor. How to effortlessly style open kitchen shelf in few steps. Floating shelves are a kitchen design trend that is not going anywhere soon. You can find them in kitchens of nearly every style, usually stacked within an artfully curated selection of dishware and accessories. According to the latest Google report, searches for kitchen floating shelves decor are up to 130% compared to the previous years as people continue to trade upper cabinetry for their airier alternative. Open shelves provide an opportunity to show off your personality in the kitchen. But figuring out how to turn your jumble of plates and mugs into a cohesive display can be daunting. Fortunately, there are a few simple design tricks that can help you create an inevitable shelf using the items you already own. Open shelves should be reserved for a thoughtful selection of items. To start, access your dishware collection and pull out the essentials you actually use every day, such as plates, bowls, mugs, and glasses. Storing these items on open shelves allows quick access to the dishware you use the most, ensuring your display is functional. Consider how many of each item you typically go through in a day and plan to display no more than that. To avoid an overcrowded look, resist the urge to use up all the available space for storage. Combine everyday dishware with accessories to create a more interesting arrangement. Shop around your home for items that can add dimension and personality to kitchen floating shelves. Grab a potted plant from the living room and pull a few cookbooks off a shelf. Gather vases, trays, candlesticks, and other decorative accents that coordinate with your kitchen's color palette. Thrift stores are also a great places to find inexpensive artwork or fun accessories to complement your open shelving decor. Place items on shelves according to use. Consider ease of access as you decide where to place items on open shelves. For example, dishware you use on a daily basis should be arranged on lower shelves so it's easy to reach. Reserve the top shelf for lesser used items like fancy glassware or artwork and accessories that are just for show. Use items in a variety of shapes and sizes to create more visually interesting arrangement. Start with your largest objects such as framed art, wood cutting boards or tall vases and spread them out across the shelf. Next, fill in the gaps with medium-sized pieces, taking care to space out items with similar colors, patterns or shapes for balanced look. Interspear the display with your smallest accessories to create a layered, collected effect. In general, it's best to leave some space between items so the arrangement doesn't appear too busy but feel free to overlap a few pieces for more casual display. Don't forget about the space underneath when decorating the floating kitchen shelves. Use this countertop area to ground the arrangement and complete the look. Lean a few wood cutting boards against the wall for a bit of texture and warmth, or add a bowl of fruit or potted herbs for freshness. Set out pretty canisters that provide hidden storage and a pop of color. Again, vary sizes and shapes for more dynamic impression. By removing bulky cabinets and replacing them with open shelves, the kitchen will instantly feel more open and airy. This can be especially beneficial in smaller kitchens where every inch of space counts. In addition to making rooms seem larger, open shelving provides practical storage and easy access to items. More than any color, style, or even distinct shape, open shelving is arguably a biggest trend in the kitchen design right now. Open shelving is a good idea in the kitchen for those who want to keep everyday items visible and accessible, or to display decorative objects. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel